Chris Granger here, and thank you for taking the time to visit this page. We know with COVID, it's been hard to do business as usual, but we also know that you still need information on things that are changing in industry. On this page, we focused in on power monitoring and bringing you information around power monitoring that you may find helpful. So to start right off the bat, you're going to find a power monitoring device standard. That's a technical document. For you engineers out there that may be wanting some good reading material, this is a great one to go through. It really talks about the different parameters that are important to power monitoring. Then we also break down a few blogs that you may find helpful around the topic of power monitoring and how you can use it inside your facility. You'll see also there are a couple of webinars, and one of the latest webinars you'll find is called Connecting Power Data to Safety and Diagnostics. So that's a webinar we put on back in November of 2020 that really walks through several different solutions around power monitoring that you could consider and how to go about that. Now, underneath this video, you'll see a button that says Schedule an Appointment. So if you click on that, that will show you the availability of the team of experts that can really walk with you through power monitoring. Now, this could be just a discovery meeting to talk more, a business meeting. Maybe you want to understand what return on investment looks like for power monitoring and how to best utilize that. So I encourage you to really, if you find the information on this page helpful, please schedule that appointment. Now, this would be a virtual appointment. We can do this via Microsoft Teams or Zoom, whatever platform you prefer, that helps us take that conversation and supports you to achieving your goals in the future. So thank you again for taking the time to visit this page. We're excited to bring this information to you, and we hope you have a great day.